Hey there, welcome to Next Level English. Today, we've got something a little different, a grammar fun facts quiz. 35 quirky questions to surprise you and test what you think you know. Ready to be amazed? Let's jump in. 1. Which word has all 5 vowels in order? Sequoia. Tips: sequoia contains a E, I, O, U in order. 2. What is the most common letter in English? E. Tips: E appears more frequently than any other letter. 3. Which word is a palindrome? Race car. Tips: palindromes read the same backward and forward. 4. Which word has no vowel? Rhythm. Tips: rhythm uses Y as a vowel sound but has no A, E, I, O, U. 5. What is the longest word with only one vowel repeated? Strength. Tips: strength has one E used once. 6. Which sentence uses all 26 letters? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Tips: it's called a pangram. 7. What part of speech is quickly? Adverb. Tips: quickly describes how something is done. 8. What do we call a word that sounds like its meaning? Onomatopoeia. Tips: like buzz or bang, sounds reflect meaning. 9. What is the plural of mouse? Mice. Tips: mouse is an irregular noun. 10. Which sentence is in passive voice? The ball was kicked by Tom. Tips: in passive voice, the subject receives the action. 11. What is a palindrome? A word spelled backwards. Tips: palindromes can be words or phrases. 12. Which word contains all 5 vowels in alphabetical order? Abstemious. Tips: check the spelling of each word carefully. 13. What is the collective noun for a group of owls? Parliament. Tips: collective nouns are unique to some animals. 14. What is the longest word in the English language without any vowels? Rhythms. Tips: Y is treated as a vowel in this instance. 15th. What is the name for a word that sounds like the noise it describes? Onomatopoeia. Tips: this is a fundamental language device. 16. Which type of sentence expresses a wish or a dream? Subjunctive. Tips: use were, not was, with singular subjects in the subjunctive mood. 17. Which prefix means not? Un. Tips: knowing your prefixes will help you in multiple areas. 18. What is the difference between effect and effect? One is a noun, one is a verb. Tips: this pair is commonly confused. 19. What is a synonym for the word elated? Joyful. Tips: synonyms have similar meanings. 20. Which of these words is not a compound word? Happy. Tips: compound words are formed from two or more words. 21. What's the term for words spelled the same but with different meanings? Homonym. Tips: knowing these terms will help in your study. 22. What does the term oxymoron mean? A figure of speech containing a contradiction. Tips: oxymorons are a literary device where two words contradict each other. 23. What is the word walking in the sentence? The dog was walking. Participle. Tips: walking is a participle because it modifies dog. 24. Which of these is a conjunction? But. Tips: conjunctions connect words, phrases, and clauses. 25. Which type of writing uses persuasive language? Argumentative. Tips: argumentative essays seek to persuade. 26. What's the word for something formed from the first letters of other words? Acronym. Tips: NASA and FBI are examples of acronyms. 27. Which of these is a preposition? Over. Tips: prepositions show the relationship between words. 28. What does the word ubiquitous mean? Common. Tips: ubiquitous means existing everywhere. 29. What is the plural form of the word child? Children. Tips: some plurals are irregular. 30. What is the correct term for the exclamation mark? Interjection. Tips: interjection is the proper grammatical term for exclamation. 31. What is the term for a story that teaches a moral lesson? Fable. Tips: fables often use animals to illustrate morals. 32. Which of these is an adverb? Quickly. Tips: adverbs often modify words and end in ly. 33. Which is an interjection? Wow. Tips: interjections express sudden emotions. 34. What is the grammatical term for the word the? Article. Tips: articles are used to indicate whether a noun is specific or unspecific. 35. Which word is a synonym for happy? Joyful. Tips: synonyms are words that have similar meanings. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to hit like, drop your answers in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more awesome English tips here at Next Level English.